Today I'm going to show you step by step how to make some rice. First, let's wash our hands. You want to make sure you rinse out the rice thoroughly till the water becomes transparent. You want to measure the water with the tip of your finger. Place the tip into the water on top of the rice and measure to the halfway point of the tip of your finger. Plug it in. Press power. Place the pot of rice in the rice cooker and select the option of your choice. Today we're doing white rice. Close the lid. Set it, forget it. And you open it up. Comes out perfect every time. If you found any value in this video, please like and subscribe down below. Also, please leave a comment and tell me how you make your rice. Rice can be a great addition to any prepared meal of your choice. I hope you enjoyed the show. Please like and subscribe down below. Until next time, healthy eating.